be good always, and sundin mo lagi si Papa Tart, Marlon, si Mami Tina, and sana si Kuya Ronel, si Tito Ronel at si Tita Ruby, lagi mo na silang susundin. Mahal na mahal ka nila. Yun lang. Salamat.
Ano lang, sana yung God-fearing nga siya, tsaka sana magtapos siya ng pag-aaral.
Congratulations and welcome to the Christian world. I hope na lumaki ka na God-fearing at kasunurin sa parents. At sa parents naman, hopefully you will bring up Martin to be a good person just like you.
Siyempre, good health, and then for baby Martin to grow up with God-fearing, of course. And syempre, it's very important for the parents to set an example, di ba?
Sana mas lumaki ka pa. Laki mo na ngayon eh.
Yun nga, welcome to the Christian world. Ang wish ko lang naman kay baby Martin na sana lumaki siyang healthy, masayahin tulad ng kanyang mami. Sana maging, sa parents naman, sana maging isang magandang example kay baby Martin upang hindi siya mapunta sa ligaw na landas. Yun lang.
Sorry Marlon, mas guwapo ito kesa sa'yo.
Tama. Simple lang. Gusto ko lang na lumaki siya na God-fearing, tapos obey mo lang baby Martin yung parents mo. You are really in good hands. So you're very lucky to be here and to have this kind of family and friends. I love you, baby Martin.
Ako mo ay labis sa nagagaya. Dahil ang aking pong abo sa awa ng Diyos ay nabiyagan na rin.
Time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne.
And those days are gone, now the memories on the wall. And I hear the songs from the places where I was born.
Up on the hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. Time I met a girl of a different kind. We ruled the world, thought I'd never lose her out of sight. Yeah,
we were so young.
Baby Martin!
Wala na, hindi ko kaya. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita, sorry.